Yeah, hey, I'm Sean with Cobalt Kinetics. We're a manufacturer based out of St. George, Utah. Really appreciate you guys having us out. Brought some of our rifles and some of our new components for people to check out. So you want to go on the range and shoot some guns?
Yeah, let's go shoot some guns.
I'm going to be shooting our 6mm arc.
Okay.
This is a 14.5-inch barrel. Your dose for this at 600, if you see that orange A-frame target out there with the white swinger underneath. All right, so center of the reticle is going to be on the orange crossbar, and then you're just going to hold center of the target and just send it.
Sounds great.
Cool. I'll spot for you, so as soon as you're ready, just say I'm good, and then I'll take your calls.
Okay, sounds good. Ready?
Yep, I'm on. Impact. Impact. All right, low left. Impact. All right, your velocity's good. You're off to the right.
Okay.
Impact. Impact. All right, you're low right. Impact.